Ever wondered why a piranha bite is so dangerous? Well, look closely at one of these piranha's teeth. Do you notice that small nub on the left side? This nub fits neatly into the next tooth. Well, they've got up to 60 razor-sharp teeth like that, interlock like shears in your flesh. With a bite force over 300 psi, they can snap bones in a single chomp. In feeding frenzies, dozens swarm prey, tearing flesh within seconds. Their mouths harbor deadly bacteria. One bite can lead to serious infection. Avoid wearing red clothes in the water because it resembles blood, and steer clear of shallow, clear Amazon waterways. That's where piranhas lie in wait, hiding among roots and debris to ambush prey. In low light, they become extra bold. Visibility is poor for prey, but piranhas' lateral line and keen eyesight give them the hunting edge. Follow what we know for more wild facts.